Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to contact AliExpress by phone. Unfortunately, AliExpress doesn't have a public customer service phone number, so you cannot phone them simply. Instead, you have to use their in-app chat or submit support ticket directly through the AliExpress application or their website. So open the AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom go to your account section, and here you should find Help Center that looks like this with this headphones icon. And here you can see popular solutions, also frequently asked questions, and you can use online service as well. And here in this field, type your question, send it, and wait for the response. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.